Hi Math 8 kiddos, I have missed you so much. My goodness, what unusual times we're having right now. So we're gonna work through this together, and I just wanted to do a quick intro video because we haven't seen each other in a while, and I thought it might be nice for you to see my face instead of just having to listen to my voice. And so I wanted to just do a quick intro to e-learning since this is our first day of doing this e-learning. And so we were in the middle of a grid about one of our units, and I am not going to have you worry about that. We're just going to pause. However far you got is where you're going to stop, and that's totally fine. We're not going to worry about an assessment or anything. But we are going to go on to something new. It's not brand new. It goes off of what we were just doing. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and push forward with it. I don't want to overwhelm you, but I know that you can handle it, and I know that it's stuff that we've been working on. It's just taking it one little step further. So before I go on any further, I want to show you on our homework board, so where you've gone to before. It looks just a little bit different right now. So we have adjusted it for e-learning. Now this might look just a little bit different if you went to it today to get to this video, but I just wanted you to be aware that, sorry about that, I had to double check something. I just wanted you to be aware of the where to find everything. So whatever day it actually is, this should be adjusted for what you see now. You'll just click on that e-learning link, and it will take you to what you need to accomplish per teacher each day. So again, this will look a little different if you got to it today, but when you look through on ours, you're going to look under Math A, and like we had this intro e-learning video, that won't be there tomorrow. I just wanted you to have a little introduction today. Then you'll have some kind of video or activity to do. It just kind of depends, but that'll give you kind of an idea of what topic we're looking at and what you need to know about it. And then there'll be some sort of practice. I'm going to try and mix up the practice so it's not boring. This one happens to be a Google form, kind of like a digital worksheet, just to see how you're doing. You are going to get a score on it, but it will not go in the grade book. I just wanted you to be able to get feedback on what questions did you get right, what do you maybe need to work on, just that, okay? So this is where you would click to find that stuff. So I don't want to take too much more of your time. But I do want to wish you good luck, and if you have any questions, sorry about that, I had to switch some things around, but again, I wish you good luck, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm here to help you as much as possible. We do have those office hours that are at the top of our homework board or on the e-link page. So please use those times to help get a more immediate answer, but I will also be available to help you as needed throughout the day. So please don't hesitate to ask, and I'm just so happy to be back learning and teaching with you. So enjoy.